How to fix Windows cannot connect to printer. So if you're facing this problem, go to Windows and go to registry editor. Open up the registry editor. From here, expand HKey local machine and expand system. Go to current control set, expand control, search for print, and here right click and add new dword32 value and rename it RPC authentication level privacy enabled. Now set the value to 0 and click on OK, and after that go to services.msc, open up the services, scroll it down, search for print spooler and stop the service and restart it and click on OK and restart your computer, and you should be able to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.